dear God! You hot pussy! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
I'm not gonna stop. It seems you kids are in a precarious situation.
Cat janitor!
It is I! You thought I was lost, didn't you? Yeah!
Away! Away, demon, away!
I've been watching from afar. You think I haven't been, but I have. You think I haven't been around, but I know. Children, this isn't the first time this has happened. Really? People have feelings, you understand? Yes. And you can act on them, that's fine. It is? Listen. At my time at this high school, I've seen a lot of weird children. By far, you're the weirdest. Thank you, Meow. But you need to know that that's okay. It is? Being weird is okay. I'm a monster.
Excuse me, Mr. Cat Janitor?
Yes.
Timmy Thompson threw up in the shower.
You don't say!
And there's some diarrhea in the sink.
Oh, what a pleasure!
Cat Janitor.
Yes?
We're here for your evaluation.
You don't say!
Yeah. Now, some of our other teachers say they're a little confused by your demeanor with the students. They say they see you taking them into your janitor's closet and then stuffing their bodies.
Counselor, have you ever had feelings?
Why, no, I don't think I have.
Whatever do you mean?
Well,
You see,
well,
not only am I a janitor,
yes?
but I like to help the children find their way.
You mean you're a janitor psychologist who's also a cat?
Make no mistake, I have no degree, but can't you see? I help in whatever way I can. I clean up the puke, I clean up the diarrhea, but also I listen. Wait, what's that? Don't you hear the cries of a little lost soul from the girls' bathroom?
You can hear that far away?
Only part of me is cat. Very selected part.
I'm gonna hide and watch you help this poor young child.
Hey, you! You can't see me. No? Listen, I really need new shoes. Janitor salaries are not too good.
Oh my God! The cat janitor!
Pay attention!
I've only read about this on the bathroom walls. I didn't think you really exist. One shoe, and then two shoes, and then a chair? The legends are true.
Although you can't see me, you can still feel me.
I do feel you.
Little lost girl in the bathroom, why are you crying?
You wouldn't understand.
Try me.
All right. Well. First of all, it's my first day. I swear to God, I came in here and I was ready to make friends, and then all of a sudden I see that they put my locker in the bathroom.
The locker in the bathroom!
Oh my God!
You think that's the first time someone's had that done to them? Let's
I
take
assume
you
so.
back anymore.
Yeah, Catmantha, ever since puberty pubed and you got a little hairier.
And a little mustachier.
And a little cattier.
A little tailier.
You guys, I may be a cat person, but I still have feelings. I'm just like any other 17-year-old cat girl. Sometimes I miss things like yarn or human cat touch. Sometimes I feel lonely. Sometimes I wish there was another cat monster like me.
I don't really feel that much pity for you.
That's because you're a bitch!